Hey guys, welcome to Just Pinoy Investing. So today, we just received our dividends for MSTY. So congratulations, guys. If you watch my other video, like what I said, we are lucky if we're going to receive at least $2. So how much is our distribution rate for this month? It's just exactly $2 and around 2 cents. So again, of course, we are happy with the distribution rate, and it's still high as compared to other dividend stocks, right? So at least it doubles our number of shares for this month, and I'm hoping that for the month of March, if the volatility of MicroStrategy will at least change, or maybe if it will continue to trend up or with a bullish pattern, then we will be able to at least get more than $2. I would say maybe at least $3 is our next target for the month of March. Of course, it's not going to be guaranteed. We don't know what's going to be the macroeconomics, or what's going to be the politics news that might impact the stocks market. So our next target, guys, is at least more than $2 for the month of March. But let's see, we could revisit again our at least guesstimate, right? So of our distribution rate for the next month. So at least my 1,000 shares of MSTY is going to at least give me a double of dividends for the month of February. So I'm expecting around 2,000 something dollars to be received. So congrats again, guys, and thank you for keep watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you know, we can bring more at least positive thoughts and investing mindset in our community. And of course, it's really free to just, you know, hit the like button so that it will help me also bring my videos to all our friends who are interested in investing in dividends. Of course, maybe there are a couple of you who are viewing my channels that you think you have a different thoughts about the dividends investing. Of course, I also understand that, and I appreciate you watching my videos. And if you have any good insights that you want to share with our community, with Just Pinoy Investing community, please do share. And our goal, of course, is for our retirement, and of course to learn, and of course also to gain from the stocks market. So again, guys, thank you very much for watching. Congratulations for all of the MSTY investors. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.